Hi, this is Anish Dey from Sportstar. Right now I'm outside the Nehru Stadium in Fatorda where in an hour's time FC Goa will take on Bengaluru in the second leg of this exciting semi-final clash. Goa comes into the match with a trailing 2-0, but Goa fans are excited. They strongly believe that they can make the comeback. So Sportstar caught up with the fans ahead of the match to know their thoughts about whether their team can make the comeback and much more. As you know, Goa will start the match today on the back foot after losing 2-0 in the first leg. See your thoughts on whether Goa can make the comeback or not.
So I feel the first leg was a bit scrappy since we had a long break. But I think now with the support of the home fans, we can turn it around.
That 2-0 was a decoy to lure Bengaluru. We are going to go and score 3 goals and knock them out right away.
We can surely come back. I know that we will. Bengaluru is standing no chance against us. We are surely coming back. A solid 5-2 or a 4-0.
Yeah, we beat them 2-0. You think that they'll come back? No. We are here for the finals. They're already deciding should we book the tickets or what. They're not going to come back.
Goa has this place, it's a land of football. Everyone loves football here. You go from the kids to the adults. We all have that passion of football. And yeah, they can make the comeback. They're very possible. They can do it. They're very strong. And it's about Manolo Marquez to put it in their players. Because football, it plays with the legs, but it's more in the mind, what you do and what you don't do. So if he puts it in the players that we can make it today, we really can make it today.
It's a tough game. Okay, see, home advantages matters in the home leg and the away leg. So we take the positives from our home leg and we are here. It will be slightly difficult for FC Goa for a comeback, but they're a good team. You know, it's a football, it's a matter of 90 minutes. We have done one half and we are here for the second half. Anything could happen, but I hope our team finishes and go to the final.
For sure, Goa will win by the margin of 5-3.
You're saying Goa will win 5-3?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a very bold prediction.
Yeah.
If you could take, Bengaluru is a very good team, and if you could take one player from Bengaluru, who would that be and why?
I would like to prefer Sunil Chhetri in Goa.
Okay, you would want Sunil
For
Chhetri.
last time for his career.
Okay.
of India.
Yeah.
I would take Ryan Williams from Bengaluru because I feel like he's a very good player they have.
So the obvious answer is obviously Sunil Chhetri. But I think I'll take Gurpreet because we don't have a good goalkeeper at the moment.
Okay.
I would probably say Nogueira because Nogueira has represented Goa earlier and he's been really good in creating of the midfield. So yeah, Nogueira.
That's great.
Probably Udanta back home, his home ground.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I would want.
It would be, even though FC Goa's defense is good, I would have Sunil Chhetri, obviously because he's a poacher and attack, Indian legend, my legend. But then at the same time, Gurpreet, I'm a keeper, so I like Gurpreet. So I will say Gurpreet because he's tall, he can come for crosses, he can save, he has long range, he can far reach, if you go away, he can still catch it. So I would like Gurpreet. Sunil Chhetri, that both is good.
I think there will be one player we would love to see him back again playing for us, which will be Udanta Singh.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.